If you're chasing peak performance and peace of mind on your Model Y, you're in the right seat for this counter. From rain to highway miles, we'll break down the top tire picks that balance grip, efficiency, and a smooth ride for the Tesla Model Y. Today, I'm going to be going over the best tires for Tesla Model Y that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Tesla Car Jack Kit. Kit is built to fit the needs of a modern electric crossover and emphasizes reliable, on-the-spot lifting with safety at the core. Constructed with sturdy steel components and a compact, foldable design, this kit understands that every roadside scenario can be different, from a flat tire on a windy highway to a slow leak during a cold morning commute. Kit typically includes a hydraulic or mechanical jack rated for several tons, a reinforced jack handle with ergonomic grip, and essential accessories such as wheel chocks, a lug wrench, and a sturdy carrying pouch, so you can store everything in the trunk without rattling noise or clutter. The engineering details matter here. The jacking points are clearly marked and reinforced so you won't slip or damage the undercarriage, while the base plate is wide enough to distribute load evenly on uneven pavement. Many Tesla models present unique undercarriage contours, so the kit often includes a small, adjustable saddle adapter to ensure compatibility across different wheel types and tire sizes. Included wheel chocks help you secure the vehicle on a slope, turning a potentially tense moment into a controlled procedure. There's also a generous emphasis on portability. The whole setup nestles into a compact storage bag, and the jack's height range is calibrated to clear most ground obstacles without needing to jack up the vehicle more than necessary. Safety features are highlighted in user guides: system pressure limits, anti-slip surfaces on the jack pad, and a low-profile design that reduces the risk of striking the ground or the rocker panels. In daily use, this Tesla Car Jack Kit supports quick, confident lifting for tire changes, routine maintenance checks, or minor suspension work when you are miles away from a shop. Compared to the modern spare tire kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Tesla Car Jack Kit focuses on providing reliable lifting capability and precise control rather than replacing a tire or delivering a full spare solution. The result is a practical, space-efficient companion for owners who value safety, speed, and clean organization on the road. At number 4, we have the modern spare tire kit. This kit centers on engine-side practicality by providing a compact, ready-to-go spare solution that reduces downtime when a tire must be replaced. Core element is the spare tire itself, a donut or compact wheel designed to fit within the trunk space with minimal intrusion, paired with a vehicle-specific wheel rim, a jack or factory-equivalent toolkit, and a lightweight jack handle for leverage and quick change. Design philosophy here is simplicity and reliability. The spare tire is mounted in a robust, weather-resistant carrier that locks in place and resists road debris, while the accompanying tools are neatly organized to prevent rattling and confusion when you pull the kit from storage. Beyond the tire, you typically receive a small air pressure gauge, a lug nut wrench that matches standard sizes for the vehicle in question, and quick start instructions highlighting the steps to safely remove a damaged tire and replace it with the spare. Modern approaches emphasize vibration-free storage and easy access, so materials are chosen for low noise on the highway and minimal corrosion in damp climates. Many kits also include a compact inflator or portable air compressor to bring the spare tire up to pressure after mounting, along with a quick patch kit for emergency repairs if you are far from a service center. Wheel alignment and tracking of the spare are considerations that some kits address with hub centering rings or a snug fit that reduces wobble at highway speeds. Compared to the modern spare compact spare tire, which I have included as number 3 on this list, this kit prioritizes a complete spare and the tools required for a fast tire swap, making it ideal for drivers who want a full, ready-to-roll replacement option and less on-the-fly improvisation when they face a puncture. At number 3, we have the modern spare compact spare tire. This compact spare option is designed to occupy minimal trunk space while still delivering reliable performance when you need to cover short distances to a safe location. The core benefit is balance. Donut-style tire with a higher profile to enhance stability, paired with a lighter weight wheel and a compact inflator kit so you can reach a service station without needing to call for a tow. A compact tire is typically mounted on a lightweight carrier that reduces overall system weight and helps preserve trunk volume for groceries, luggage, or emergency gear. Installation is straightforward. Break the bead if necessary, loosen lug nuts just enough to mount the spare, and then tighten to the standard torque recommended by the vehicle manufacturer. The kit often includes a small floor jack or a scissor jack and a lug wrench, along with an adjustable tool bag that keeps items from rolling around in the trunk. While the donut tire is a temporary solution, its design emphasizes speed and convenience. You can change the tire within minutes and continue to your destination with a reduced risk of further damage. Features like reinforced sidewalls, reinforced tread, and a modest tread depth are tuned for safe driving at moderate speeds, so you can pass a few miles with minimal risk. Paired to the BASENOR Model Y, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the compact spare emphasizes portability with a smaller footprint, but you still retain the ability to drive to a service location. Whereas BASENOR focuses on protection from road debris and splash for the vehicle's exterior rather than tire changes. At number 2, we have the BASENOR Model Y. The BASENOR kit focuses on exterior protection and body armor designed to fit the Model Y's unique silhouette and trim lines, offering splash guards and guards that shield the wheel wells from mud, salt, and loose gravel. The set typically includes front and rear splash guards that align with factory mounting points, helping to preserve paint and undercarriage from day-to-day exposure as you navigate wet roads, snow, or dusty desert highways. Materials are commonly durable plastics or fiberglass composites that balance rigidity with a degree of flex, reducing vibration and cracking over time. Installation is straightforward for most users, with pre-drilled holes, clips, and sometimes pins that slide into place with light pressure. Benefits extend beyond cosmetics. Splash guards help maintain cleaner wheel wells, reducing the buildup of grime that can affect drainage and break cooling systems on longer trips. Thoughtfully designed guard lines ensure compatibility with the underlying wheel geometry so that the guards do not rub against tires or suspension components, even when you turn or slam over speed bumps. Tesla owners, the clean lines of the Model Y pair well with guard kits that stay unobtrusive while preserving access to the factory underbody panels. Paired to the VINBYEE Tire Inflator air compressor, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the BASENOR model offers a protective, aesthetic upgrade rather than a direct tire care device, highlighting a different aspect of maintenance that keeps the exterior in good shape while you concentrate on the road ahead. At number 1, we have the VINBYEE Tire Inflator air compressor. This compact, high-output air compressor is designed to keep tires properly inflated, which is essential for fuel efficiency, tire wear, and overall handling of a vehicle as dynamic as a Tesla Model Y. The unit typically plugs into the 12-volt outlet, draws power quickly, and provides a digital gauge with clear readings, allowing you to set your target pressure and have the device automatically shut off when that pressure is reached. Premium models include an auto shut-off feature, a built-in bleed valve for fine-tuning, and a bright LED floodlight for nighttime work, which makes roadside repairs safer and more manageable. Nozzle assortment is versatile, covering Presta and Schraders and inflating various tire sizes without needing multiple adapters. Storage is thoughtfully designed in a compact form factor that slides into the glove box or trunk pocket, and materials tend to be rugged enough to withstand vibration on rough surfaces. Practical features also include a sturdy air hose, a pressure gauge with fast response, and a gauge that holds the reading while you connect the tire valve, avoiding the guesswork of inflation. In daily driving, letting air out of a tire that is running at too high a pressure is less ideal than simply topping off to the recommended range. And a reliable inflator helps you achieve the right balance for ride comfort, traction, and fuel efficiency. Paired to the BASENOR Model Y, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the VINBYEE Inflator is a tool for tire maintenance rather than an exterior upgrade, offering a practical, on-the-spot solution that keeps you moving and minimizes downtime when a tire dips in pressure while you are on the road.